Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can download and install Snapchat application for your mobile device. So first you need to open the Google Play Store from your mobile device, and on the search bar you need to type in Snapchat. Tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it and wait for the application to be fully installed. Snapchat is an American multimedia instant messaging app and service. Snapchat lets you easily talk with friends, view live stories from around the world, and explore in news in discoveries. It is the fast and easy way to share the moment with your friends and family through snaps. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the Snapchat application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.